Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simran. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 4 beautiful moisturizer for this winter season. And guys, अभी winters already आ चुकी है and skin का हालत आप खुद ही जान सकते हो guys. Skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry and flaky हो जाती है. Guys, जो normal moisturizer भी हम use करते थे पहले, अभी उसको भी use करने के बाद skin is feeling very dry. Personally, I do have oily skin, but still guys, इतना ज़्यादा ठंडा है हमारे यहाँ पे, बहुत ज़्यादा skin dry हो जाती है. मैं लेयर करके मॉइस्चराइजर लगाती हूँ, आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, बिकॉज आई डू हैव ऑयली स्किन. ओके, एक नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइजर भी मेरे स्किन को ऑयली कर देता था, बट राइट नाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड टू दिस विंटर सीजन. अभी इतना ज़्यादा ठंडा हो रहा है ना, मेरे यहाँ पे स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है. एंड उसके लिए मैं चाहती थी कि आपके लिए एक वीडियो बनाऊँ जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करे. एंड अभी भी नायका पे बहुत बड़ा सा सेल चल रहा है, पिंक फ्राइडे सेल भी चल रहा है, तो ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आपको बहुत कम प्राइस में भी मिल जाएंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट टू मेक दिस वीडियो. एंड ऑल्सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक अनदर वीडियो फॉर द बॉडी केयर, लाइक what are the products that I can use for the body in this particular winter season. Some moisturizers, some body washes, some scrubs. I'm gonna share all of that in another video. So body care के लिए separate video होगा. But talking about this particular video, I'm gonna share with you all 4 beautiful moisturizer that you can use in this winter season. These moisturizer are like good for all skin type, I can say. So if you're new on my channel and watching me for the first time, if you like the vibe, if you like the content, then do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will love that. And also you can press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So yeah, without no further delay, let's just get into the video. Guys, this is winter season and skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry and dehydrated हो जाती है. That's why I chose some moisturizer which are very moisturizing, but they will not make your skin feel oily or greasy. Alright, so guys, now I'm going to talk about the first moisturizer that I have, that is this moisturizer. So this is called the Minimalist Sepicalm 3% moisturizer. It comes with oats extract, squalene and amino acids. This nourishes and soothes your skin. Guys, this is a very good moisturizer. If you have sensitive skin, you can surely go for this one because it is meant for sensitive skin. I hope you can see. Guys, I have been using this moisturizer constantly from past 1.5 month. Like इसको मैं regularly use करती हूँ, either दिन में और night time पे use कर लेती हूँ. So this is how it looks like. Guys, it absorbs into your skin very quickly and still it will make your skin feel so moisturized, so smooth, and आपका skin बहुत ज़्यादा smooth feel करेगा इसको use करने के बाद. It's a very good moisturizer. So अगर आपकी skin sensitive है and you are searching for a good moisturizer for this winter season, you can surely go for this one. This retails for rupees 350 only and it comes with 50 gram of product. So आप इसको definitely एक बार try करना अगर आपका स्किन सेंसिटिव है तो. एंड सेंसिटिव स्किन के लिए सिंपल का मॉइस्चराइजर भी बहुत अच्छा होता है, बट दैट इज मोर लाइटर देन दिस वन. सो वो शायद आपको इस विंटर सीजन में हेल्प ना कर पाए. सो दैट्स व्हाई मैं आपको ये रिकमेंड करूंगी. इसका आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करना है, जस्ट टेक अ पी साइज अमाउंट ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर, क्योंकि मॉइस्चराइजर हमको पी साइज अमाउंट का ही लगाना चाहिए अपने स्किन पे. एंड यू सपोज टू मॉइस्चराइज योर स्किन विद दैट. गाइस, पैच टेस्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरी सिंगल प्रोडक्ट दैट आई एम गोना शो इन टुडेज वीडियो, बिकॉज सबके स्किन टाइप डिफरेंट होती है, तो आपको ये डेफिनेटली ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. यू कैन यूज अ मॉइस्चराइजर एज मेनी टाइम एज यू वांट, बट आई विल रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू यूज एटलीस्ट 2 times a day, or else you can go for 3 times. That is very nice, क्योंकि मैं तो 3 बार ही लगाती हूँ. So yeah, this is a great moisturizer for sensitive skin under a budget. You can surely buy this one. So then, talking about the next moisturizer that I have is this one. This is from Dot & Key. So this is called the Dot & Key 72 hours hydrating gel moisturizer. It's from the brand called Dot & Key, and Dot & Key is also a very good and nice brand. This is how the texture of this product. So this is the consistency of this product, and it's very gel like consistency, but still it gives so good hydration to your skin. Guys, you can clearly see इसको लगाने के बाद ना स्किन पूरा ग्लो करने लगता है. And let me show you. Guys, can you see this glow? Oh my god, I love this moisturizer. Especially I love to use this moisturizer in this winter season because summers के लिए ये थोड़ा सा heavy हो जाता है मेरे skin के लिए. Like I have oily skin, but I feel अगर आपका dry skin है तो आप इसको हर season में use कर सकते हो आराम से. But in this winter season, I will solely recommend you to go for this one. This is a very good moisturizer. It says it will give you 72 hours of hydration, but I don't think that. आपको definitely 2 बार use करना ही करना है ये moisturizer को. Packaging, it's beautiful. just look at this, how beautiful it is. Guys, it is a non-sticky, non-greasy moisturizer. It also contains hyaluronic acid, rice water, and so many good ingredients. It is so moisturizing, very hydrating moisturizer. So guys, the price of this product is $5.95 as I can see over here Amazon पे. So yeah, this is a very good moisturizer and I feel अगर आपको इस तरीके की कुछ moisturizer चाहिए जो आपके स्किन को एक बहुत अच्छा सा ग्लो भी प्रोवाइड करे, आपके स्किन बैरियर को ठीक करे एंड आपको हाइड्रेशन प्रोवाइड करे बहुत टाइम के लिए, then I think you should definitely go for this one. So then the next moisturizer I have is this one. So this is called the Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Gel Moisturizer. It is like a very good moisturizer that I have used for this particular winter season, and let me show you the consistency. आप देख सकते हो how much I have used this product. It will also provide you a natural glow to your skin after using this one. You will love your skin, and अगर आपकी skin dry है ना, you are going to love this product so much. The smell is a little bit overpowering, but if you're not sensitive toward fragrances, then you can surely go for this particular moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid, coconut water, and which is great for your skin to hydrate your skin, to moisturize your skin, to even out your skin, and also it will definitely provide you a good skin barrier. Definitely इसको एक बार try करना. It's a very huge tub and थोड़ा सा heavy भी है packaging. So it comes for ₹699 and they will give you 100 grams of product, which is a very good price for this beautiful moisturizer. So Aqualogica के moisturizer बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, but this particular one is a little bit thicker in consistency, so it's great for winter I feel, and all skin people can use this product, but for dry skin it's a great moisturizer. Guys, then the last moisturizer that I have with me is this one. Guys, this is called the Earth Rhythm Phyto Repair Vitamin C Moisturizer. It is a vitamin C moisturizer, so it's great for your uneven skin tone. अगर आपके skin पे dark spot है, it's great for that. And winter season में आप अगर एक थोड़ा सा thick moisturizer चाहते हो, like it is also great for dry skin I feel, because इसका consistency थोड़ा सा thick है, you can see. So it is called this Advanced Cell Repair Moisturizer. It is non-comedogenic, comes with 50 ml of product which cost for ₹750. जो non-comedogenic product होते हैं ना, वो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं acne prone skin के लिए, स्पेशली अगर आपका acne है, still आपके face and skin dry है, then आप इसको definitely try करना. थोड़ा सा oily feel करता है slightly for my oily skin. अगर आपकी skin dry है, then you will love this product. अगर आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा oily है, then I will not recommend you to go for this particular one. You can choose all the three that I have showed you before. So yeah guys, these are all the moisturizer that I wanted to talk about in this particular video, and I will recommend you to go for whatever you like, because all of them are so good for each skin type. And मैं आपको सारा कुछ बता दी. इसके बाद आपके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको जो सही लगता है आपके स्किन के लिए, आप उसको बाय कर सकते हो, बट टैक्स टेस्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड. एंड सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आपको कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड आई फील दैट इज इट अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक्ड इट. इफ यू डिड, then do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. If you like this video and if you found it helpful, then let me know in the comment section below. I will surely reply to your comments. So yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.